me affordable.
Star mixed with a ghetto chick. Try me. I wish it would. Chola. Who gon' hold?
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebby here, back with another video. And today's video is a DIY with Ebby, of course. So it's craziness going on. I hope everybody is staying safe out there. I hope everyone's safe in the house. And don't be trying to go out and party, sis. No, it's not the time. No. So if you have to go out and grocery shop, go to the pharmacy, if you're an essential worker like myself and you have to hit these streets and you can't afford the N95 surgical mask, your worries end here, sis, because I have some alternatives. So it's other masks that you can go out and get, but with this pandemic going on, everything is sold out. So if it comes down to this, go around your house and see if you have these items so you can put it together, because it's real simple, real easy. Some of these projects you're not going to need to sew or glue or anything. You just need to do what it do. So if you want to know how I did these masks, please stay tuned. So first things first, you will need like a bandana that you tie your hair up with, sis. This is just some fabric that I had laying around the house. So that's what I'm going to use. But you're just going to take this piece of fabric. You're going to have 2 hair ties. Then you're going to take your fabric and lay it flat. Then you're going to fold it, coming towards the middle, and fold it one more time, so it can be 2 folds. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side, bringing it to the middle, and folding it again. So it should be nice and flat, like so. Then we're going to take our 2 hair ties. We're going to bring it on in. Not all the way. It should look like, you know, back in the days where you used to get those gum candy things. You know, sea salt candy. If y'all ever ate that. I didn't like that candy, but we're going to make it look like one of them candies. Okay, and then you're just going to bring these 2 ends in here. In the pocket that we made, we're going to stuff them in here. You can fold them to make it smaller and then stuff them if that makes it easier for you. But yes, that's what we're about to do. Like I said, we can fold them, make it smaller, and then stuff it in the pocket. Just stuff it on in there. Okay, then pull on the hair tie, make sure it's nice and tight. And if you want, because it's like opened here and exposed, you can put a little bit of glue if you want, or stitch it just to secure it if you want to. But if not, just go out like this, sis. Try it on. I suggest don't wear big ass earrings like this. Pour butter on. And there you go, sis. A mask in less than 1 minute. Period, boo. So this was the no sew no nothing method, basically. You feel me? You feel me? Peace. Put. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one, I'm using this fabric from these pajama pants that I had, that I was planning on sewing back up and reconstructing or making something out of, but it's just a mask that we're making today. So I mean, I'm gonna have enough fabric to make something else with it too. So yes. So what you want to do is just measure. I have a big ass head, y'all, so I'm gonna measure it to about 12 by 5 inches. Yeah, that would be cool for me. 12 by 5 inches. Just a little square, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my fabric. I'm gonna cut up. I really like this fabric too. And I'm sure I'm not gonna see nobody else with this fabric because these came from my pajama pants that nobody got. So yeah, I got a lot of fabric left over. Like I said, I'm gonna use it for something else. Look for it to that. But the way that I cut it, this side, well, basically, I'll just open it for you. It's still attached. So what you wanna do is just sew this. We're not going to hem it because this is not the advanced mask. I have that coming up next. We're just going to sew, just stitch it for the beginner sewers. For us, just stitch it all the way around so it's closed off. And then let's get started. Now, if you're not familiar with this mini sewing machine, I don't think I even did a project on my channel yet, but I do have a mini sewing machine, y'all. It does the job just as a regular sewing machine, so yeah. I'm going to upgrade eventually, but I'm not really in a rush because, like I said, it does the job just as any other sewing machine. So yes, I will be doing a how to set up a sewing machine DIY tutorial, so please look forward to that in all that. So what you want to do is just start to do your sewing of closing it up, like I said before. And yeah. Okay, so now you're going to take your elastic or whatever you have on hand, a piece of string, some old headbands, whatever it is. You want to take a piece of head and then you want to put it in the fabric. So again, I'm going to measure it out for me. Now I'm going to sew on each corner of the fabric. So, okay, so there you have it. For corners or elastic banded. So I'm not gonna lie, you might want to go over each side about more than one time so it can be really secure or whatever. So Joneses, let's try her on. Again, I don't recommend wearing these big ass hoops. I'm just trying to be cute. Oh, that's it, yeah. She's cute, whatever. Last but not least is this Spider-Man mask that I already went ahead and attached the elastic band. Now this mask is a little bit more professionally sewn. I took my time and I hemmed the corners and everything, so yes, it looks more professionally done, sis. And like I said, I prefer to double stitch the elastic just so it can be more secure. So you can leave it like this if you want, sis, or we can get a little fancy with it. So I think I want to get a little fancy and add the accordion style to it. So what you want to do is always have some pins on deck, and then we're just going to fold it just a little bit, just twice. Okay, so this is the first fold. I'll show you. So we're just gonna fold it like so. And we want to do it again. So let me pin the sides, and I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, so there you have it. We have the folds pinned down. Here goes a pin, there goes a pin, there goes a pin, there goes a pin. So what you want to do is go ahead and head to your sewing machine and just sew down and sew down. Okay, sis? So yes, sis, here she is. Brown cologne or whatever. Let's try her on. These big ass earrings. Just trying to get hit. So you can stretch her and stuff it on, sis. Yes. Period. Cute. Cheap. Affordable. But yes, it's not the N93, 95 mask like I said before, but it's better than having nothing at all, sis. So yes, snatch you up some fabric, a bandana, a sock or something, and put it to use, sis. Period. 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 Well, I'm sticking my tongue out, y'all. But yeah, cute. So there you go. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was very informative. I hope you got all that you need to get from me, sis. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Again, please stay safe, y'all. Please stay in the house as much as possible. And yes,